Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I have my everyday makeup tutorial. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave, as well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will have everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my brows off camera just because it takes me forever to do. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start to carve out my brows using my concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I'm just going to put this all over my eye as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I am going to go ahead and set it with a translucent powder just because we're not going to be using so many like bright colors or anything. It's going to be super soft. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it with translucent powder. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the Dream palette, which is the Sigma and Beauty Bird collaboration. I've been using this palette, as you can see, a lot. I've been going pretty ham on that color Caramelito, which is the first color that I'm applying right now, and I'm using the Makeup Shack T43 brush. And it doesn't have to be neat. I'm just going to go ahead and put it everywhere just to get that color on there, and I do kind of pack it on just because I want that color to show, especially because we're only going to be using two colors. Okay, so the second shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Boo Boo, and I'm taking that on my medium sweeper brush from Sigma, the E54 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that color on my lid. And then I do go back and forth with the other brush that I used before, which was the Makeup Shack T43 brush, and just kind of blend everything together. Just make sure that there's no harsh lines. So I usually stop after applying those two colors, but if I want a little bit extra, I do go in with my glitter glue as a primer for the next shade that I'm going to apply on top of that. And the next color I'm going to apply is from actually ColourPop, and it's one of their Super Shock glitter shadows, and this one is in the shade Lightning Bug, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's called Lightning Bug. If not, I will have it down below. And I'm just going to go ahead and just use my fingers and apply it on top of that color I put, which was called Boo Boo. Just going to apply it on top of that, just adding a little bit more of like sparkle. I do recommend if you want something a little bit less dramatic, you go in without a glitter primer just because it kind of softens it up and it doesn't apply so much. Lashes I'm going to be using are the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. I'm just going to go ahead and apply those on me. And then for my base for my foundation, I'm going to go ahead, or my base for my foundation, my primer that I'm going to be using is from Tarte, and this is the Timeless Smoothing Primer. I'm just going to focus that right on the center of my face where I have pores, any fine lines, just because this is what's going to help me smooth all that out. And then on top of that, for the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Cover FX Gripping Primer. I'm just going to go ahead and pat it out. And then I'm just going to wait till I'm done doing that. And then for the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite foundation, which is the Marc Jacobs ReMARCable foundation in the shade 29. I'm applying that with my Sigma flat Kabuki brush, the F80. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And then for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly, which is the lighter one. I'm going to apply that all in the centers of my face, underneath my eyes, on my nose, forehead, all that, and blend it out with a beauty blender. Now to set wherever I applied my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Airspun translucent powder. I'm going to go ahead and apply that in the areas where I applied concealer. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade 25, I believe. 25, yes. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the rest of my face. So to bronze up my face, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and applying that on the outer parts of my face. And I'm going to go in with my favorite blush at the moment, and this is the Sigma blush in the shade Cor-De-Rosa. And for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in first with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk as a base, like always. And then on top of that, I just used a white shadow, a white shimmery shadow, but you could even use one of the highlighters that is in the palette that I used. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to first go in with the shade Caramelito and applying it underneath my eyes, not bringing it down too far just because I want it to be pretty soft. The next shades I'm going to go in with, I kind of mixed the shade Boo Boo and Woof Woof together and applied it even closer to my lash line just to kind of smoke it out just a little bit, not too much. Using the e.l.f. eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline, and I'm not going to smoke it out. I'm just going to apply just a little bit just to kind of define underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. This is the Sigma Sinuosity lash, and apply that, like I said, on the bottom of my lashes. To line my lips, I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Stripped Down, and then in the center of that I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's in the shade Stripped Down. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I wanted to share something with you guys. I've never been the one to go shopping for fragrances, so that's why I love Scentbird. So Scentbird is a monthly subscription where every month you get to choose from 450 plus designer fragrances like Dolce & Gabbana, Juicy Couture, and they get delivered to your door every month. They come in these travel-friendly spray bottles, which is easy if you go travel or you like to take them on the go with you. It's only $14.95 a month, and every month you get to try out new fragrances, which I love, and I love that they're in the travel size just because I can take them with me. And I will have my link down below in case you guys are wanting to try it out. Please let me know if you do and what fragrances you guys chose. Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave, as well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will have everything on the screen as usual, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh no. I got this look, just keep on one. Oh my god. No my gosh. Wanna see what? No. No my gosh. Stupid. Is that everything?